What's up guys, today we're going to be working on replacing the side mirror over here. As you can see, it's been severely damaged, so we're going to go ahead and take this apart and install the new one. I already ordered it online, but in order to do so, the first thing I'm going to need to do is remove this panel right here and this panel right here so I can get access to the bolts behind the old one to go ahead and install the new one, so stay tuned. So first we want to grab the pry tool and then put it along the edge right here and pop this off, as so. Next, in order to remove the door panel, I'm going to have to remove this panel right here, as so. And then use a smaller flathead and insert along the edges right here to pop this trim piece off. And take it off along the way. Then I have to go guide it so that it doesn't snap. And remove these 3 Phillips screws that's holding the door piece together. Correction, there are 5 screws, one more right here next to the controls and one more up here next to the handles, so make sure to remove those 2 as well before proceeding further. Alright, now that the screws are removed, I'm going to follow my finger down the side, find a little opening right here, pry it through and pop the clips that's holding the door and go along the edge to the other side to the top. Alright, now that all the clips are popped off, the door panel should be flapping like this. That means it's not secured. I can gently grab this handle right here, lift it up, and access behind where there's the harness and the cable for the door handle. Now I don't want to remove all this because all I need to do is access these 3 bolts in this harness right here, so I'm just going to gently place the corner down and hang it slightly with the tension of the cable and leave the panel as so. That way I don't have to take it all apart, and go ahead and access these 3 bolts and this harness to remove the old mirror that's broken. So I went ahead and removed 2 of the bolts so far and left 1 so that the mirror doesn't fall. I'm going to go ahead and grab this tab right here, lift it, disconnect the harness. So the reason I left the 3rd bolt on is because I'm going to need 2 hands for this, but I'm going to hold the mirror with 1 hand and remove the bolt with the other hand. That way it doesn't fall when I remove it. So going to go ahead and do that and proceed with the next steps. Alright, with the old mirror in my hand, I do need to transfer a couple clips over. So there's one that's attached here. I'm going to have to grab a flathead and pry it off. And then the other one is right here. As you can see, it's not focusing, right down below. So this one can be removed from removing it right here. Honestly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one on the actual old mirror, stick it through the hole right there, and then when I attach the new mirror, I can just clip them together once it's put on into place. Because this piece is the weather stripping that's going to hold it from being sealed from water coming inside the car. Alright, with everything removed and prepped, I can go ahead and grab this new mirror, reinstall it on the vehicle, and just follow the steps in reverse to get this completed. It is always good to test the product before putting it back together, so here's the turn signal. I can see that the light is working. And coming back on this side to check the adjustments, we're going to put it to left and see if it moves up, down, left, right. So yeah, everything's working. Gotta go ahead and put everything back together now. Alright, here are the results of everything put back together. As you can see, it looks just like new, straight from the factory. I hope you guys enjoyed the step-by-step install video on how to replace the side mirror on this vehicle. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to drop them down below. But until next time, Extreme out.